vacation. That's why he already go outside.
Hi, Georgie. Hello.
Okay, you can see Georgie.
Okay.
We already in the Fields Avenue. Monday, Fields Avenue. Not so many people. It's now 4 a.m. 4 a.m. Silent. But JJ working now. Korean club. Shara, how to say Eureka? How to say? Shira don't know. Don't have people, only staff. Two girls inside and dog. Okay. Georgi in the Philippines already. Georgi, I want to ask you, okay, to the light better. Georgi, many people asking what you doing in Thailand and where you been. You just only shortly say, because today evening we will meet in the walking street, drink coffee, and you can explain. But say it now.
I was not in Pattaya, not in Bangkok. I was in Chiang Mai. It's on the north of Thailand.
North.
So 3 weeks I was in the place near Chiang Mai.
Near Chiang Mai.
So I will explain later what is place, what I did there.
Okay.
So
Tomorrow evening today, when you after you sleep.
yes, maybe evening today.
Okay. Okay, Georgi, thank you.
Babalakat, and we're going to eat right now with a breakfast meal here. And I love the breakfast meal here also. Let's go.
если он like breakfast menu. But breakfast menu always from the 4 p.m., 4 a.m. And this time I sleep. Our breakfast.
Yes.
You won't sleep.
Not one sleep, I just very little bit stressed right now.
Now 4:38.
Really. Oh, you have so many egg right now.
And you?
Good. Alaking, I want garlic rice, but she put in not garlic rice.
Okay. Coffee. Hot coffee.
It's-
And Shaira,
It's
ice coffee.
It's
Ice.
chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Guys, tomorrow, no, today I will talk with Georgi. We can go to walking street and I will interview him about what he doing in Thailand. I think you will shock it. I will tomorrow. But now we can eat and go home sleep. Because we not sleep. I not sleep. Shaira sleep before, but I not sleep. I work in my computer. So I need sleep more. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.